for making my job a whole lot easier. Our top 5 finalists for Mutya, ning Sapang Bato 2023 in completely random order. We are saying congratulations to our finalists, and you are one of them. Mutya candidate number 8. Please step right up because you are also in Mutya candidate number 3. Our third finalist. You still have a chance of bringing home the crown tonight. Mutya candidate number 7. Flores. 3 down, 2 more to go. 2 more names to announce. Our second to the last finalist. Congratulations. Candidate number 4. You have one more Mutya to advance to the final round. At muli, sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan all the other candidates. Come on! No matter what the result will be, you've already made your family and friends proud. Okay, remember that. And also to the Sangguniang Kabataan Council and to the Barangay Council, thank you so much for making sure that no one is left behind in your barangay, for considering our Aita sisters. Palakpakan po natin only here sa Barangay Sapang Bato. I will not keep you waiting any longer. This is so suspenseful, huh? Completing our top 5 Mutya ning Sapang Bato 2023 finalists. Congratulations! Candidate number! Raise them up, come on, raise them up! You got it right, number 5! Camille Gary! And to the rest of the ladies, all the other candidates, congratulations once again for reaching it this far, for making it this far. We are so proud of you. Thank you so much. That was intense. Congratulations to our top 5 finalists for this year's Mutya ning Sapang Bato pageant. There you go. Before we have the final question and answer round, the final round of tonight's pageant, let me